Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about and doing an all-day wear test of the brand new and highly rated Sheglam Complexion Pro Long Lasting Breathable Matte Foundation. If you've been a long-time subscriber of mine, you probably already know what Sheglam is. I have done a few videos using their products, but if you are new here, Sheglam is the really affordable and exclusive makeup line to Shein. Before I get into the video, I do want to mention a new and really exciting program that Shein just launched. They just launched their Sheglam Pretty Committee. This committee consists of influencers and customers alike, giving everyone the chance to win a $500 Shein gift card and every single Sheglam makeup drop in 2021. If you guys end up purchasing the foundation and you want to take part in the committee, all you have to do is just leave a detailed review on your Instagram page, and then between the dates of December 9th and February 9th, I believe, they're going to be choosing one winner every single week. I'm going to leave the link down below in the description. It goes into more detail about their pretty committee and how to participate if you're interested in learning more. Alright, but huge thank you to Shein for sponsoring this video. Back to the foundation, let's jump into the video. So this foundation was actually tested by over 200 people globally before it launched, and so far it does seem to have some pretty good reviews, so I'm excited to put it to the test and see how well it holds up throughout the day. So it's 12:18 right now. I'm going to try it out, and I'm going to wear it as long as I possibly can. Today is Thanksgiving, so it is possible that I might go into food coma a little early tonight, but I'm going to wear it as long as I can, and I'm going to be checking in throughout the day and letting you know how it's holding up, how it looks, and how it feels. The outer packaging is really nice. It's very sleek, very simple. Ooh. So it also has this like velvet slip over, and then here is what the foundation bottle looks like. The bottle and the packaging is really nice so far. It has a pretty frosted glass bottle, and then let's see what the applicator looks like in an easy pump applicator. The foundation claims from Sheglam says that it's water and sweat proof, fragrance free, packed with non-pore clogging ingredients like CBD oil. Oh, that's actually interesting. I've tried CBD skincare before and I really liked it, but I've never tried anything like in a foundation. And it is like starting to be winter, cold time of the year, and that's when my skin gets pretty dry, so that's a huge plus for me if that performs like I hope it will. A breathable and lightweight, semi-matte filter-like finish that is flawless and yet natural looking, long-wearing, buildable, and 100% cruelty-free. Sheglam manufacturers do not affiliate or use ingredients from sources that are not cruelty-free. I'm going to keep all of these in mind, and at the end of the day, I'll go over and let you know if it lives up to what it claims it does. There are 15 shades available to choose from right now, but from my understanding, they are supposed to be expanding their range in 2021. I know they did recently just do this with their concealers, so I think their foundation line is next. I chose 3 shades and hopefully one of them works. I'm really bad at like shade matching online, so we'll see how this turns out. No matter what, I'm still gonna wear it and test it throughout the day. The lightest shade I chose was Nude, and then I also got Warm Vanilla and Sand. Sheglam makeup products are actually non-returnable for sanitary reasons, but I did notice on their website that you can purchase like little samples of their foundation for I think 50 cents. So if you guys want to test it out and make sure that you get your right shade, you can go ahead and do that before you commit to the full-size bottle. All right, I'm just gonna swatch these on my face to see which shade looks best. So the first one is Nude. I think that one will work, but we'll keep swatching just in case. This next one is Warm Vanilla. And then this last one is Sand. Alright, yeah, I think I'm gonna go with Nude. Nude looks like it's gonna work out. Warm Vanilla is just a little too peachy for me, and then what's this called? Sand. Sand is probably going to work for me in the future, like during the summertime, but right now I'm at my lightest, so Nude it is. So I'm just going to put a couple pumps on my, actually the lot comes out in one pump, so I'm just going to do one for now. Wow. This has really good coverage. I don't think I'm going to need 2 coats. It could be blendable like it said, or buildable like it mentions, but I think one is going to be enough for me. And it looks really good. I also didn't put any primer underneath. I just want to see how well the foundation works without any enhancements. I did also forget to mention that I did do my eyes and my eyebrows before this tutorial or this foundation review. And I used the Glitz Wiz palette from Sheglam. I do have a tutorial for this up on my Instagram channel if you guys want to see how I got this look. Okay, so far, first impressions, this feels really good on the skin. It has great coverage and it's really light. Like, it honestly does not feel like it's on my skin. It does have a semi-matte finish too. It's matte but has like a little bit of a natural dewy glow to it. So far, so good. This is the side that I have foundation on and this side I have absolutely nothing on. You can see that it looks really natural, but it has really good coverage. There are a little bit of my dark spots peeking through, but it's really like not an issue at all. If I was wearing this like just average every day, I would just leave it at one coat and call it good. I do like this coverage, but since I am doing a wear test and review, I'm going to add another one to see how buildable the foundation really is. Oh, I forgot to smell it. Let's see. Yeah, so fragrance free. I don't smell anything. It honestly, it doesn't even smell like foundation. Like, you know, that normal like fragrance free foundation smell. Here is round two. It does have a little bit of a thicker formula. Foundation is pretty thick, but it doesn't feel that way on the skin. This truly just has like a flawless finish. This is 2 coats, really good coverage. It does not look cakey at all. It looks really good. This is a little bit too dark for me, actually, now that I'm wearing it. Maybe it might be oxidizing a little bit, but not too significantly. So now you guys can see the difference. This is 2 coats of foundation and this is none. All right, let's try the other side with a brush. Yeah, so after putting it on, this is the fresh side and this is the side that I did before with the Beauty Blender. You can see that this side is just a little bit darker than the fresh sides. This one was already just like maybe a little too dark for me in the first place. The second coat, when you use with a brush, it does look like it gives a little bit more coverage, but it does feel a little bit heavier on the skin. So if you just use one coat, I think it's the same either way, brush or Beauty Blender. But when you put the second coat on, I do see a little bit of a difference. The brush side has more coverage and it does feel a little bit heavier, but like nothing too significant. It still feels like it's really not there. And then the Beauty Blender side has a little bit more of a sheer look to it. Maybe even one more round would give you even like full coverage, but it looks really good either way. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my makeup and then I'm gonna come back and give you my first impressions so far. All right, done with my makeup now. So let's just go over the claims that Sheglam says this foundation does, and I'm gonna let you know my first impressions and what I think about them. So it says water and sweat proof. I can't say for certain because I haven't really been sweating yet or gone under any water. Later in the day, I will try to test that. I'm gonna take my dogs for a walk and I don't know, maybe at the end of the day, I'll splash my face with some water to let you know how that holds up. It is fragrance free. There's no fragrance at all. I cannot smell anything. Like I said, it was like not even that regular fragrance free makeup smell. Packed with non-pore clogging ingredients like CBD oil. So far, my pores don't feel clogged. Like I said, it's really lightweight and breathable, so I'm not really like feeling any pore clogging properties at the moment. I will touch base with that later in the day though. Breathable and lightweight. Yeah, definitely breathable and lightweight. And a semi-matte filter-like finish that is flawless and yet natural looking. Definitely. I highly agree. It's breathable and lightweight. It really doesn't feel like it's there. When I did use the brush, it feels a little bit more heavy, but still really natural. It definitely has a semi-matte filter, flawless-like finish. It's matte, but it has like just a subtle little dewy glow that makes it look really natural and beautiful. Long wearing, don't know yet. I've only had it on for about half hour now, so we'll see here in the future. Buildable, certainly buildable. It does have really good coverage with just one use. It's not like a light coverage foundation. I think I forgot to mention it's only $9. I may have already said that and I'm not sure, but I do have a couple discount codes if you guys want to save an extra 15%. You can use my discount code, Sierra Mariova, that'll save you 15% off. And you also can use this discount code right here. I think it's valid until December 31st for US and Mexico residents only, but either one of those is going to save you an extra 15% on this foundation or anything on their entire website. It's not a commission-based code, it's purely just for you guys to save a little extra money. So far this foundation is performing really good, especially for $9. Like, I have expensive foundations that this performs just as good as, and it makes me wonder, like, why are those ones so high when a lower price item is performing just as good? Just goes to show that price does not always determine quality. So just because it costs more doesn't mean it performs better. But yeah, okay, I'm gonna check back in a couple hours and let you know how it's holding up. Okay, just a quick update. It's been about 3 hours now. Right now it's 3 o'clock exactly. So I've had it on for a couple of hours and it's holding up pretty good. I'm in my car right now because I'm on my way to my dad's house, about ready to leave. I'm going to pick up Thanksgiving dinner there and just bring it home, so we're super safe this year. But I was trying to get some natural lighting. I'm sorry if the camera's like shaking a lot. I'm holding it with my hand. But so far the foundation is holding up pretty good. I didn't put any setting powder on, no primer, I don't have any contour or highlight, anything like that. It's just pure foundation because I wanted to see like how it really holds up throughout the day. So this is what it looks like. It looks pretty good. Try to get like a closer look. This is what it looks like. It did, like I said, it oxidized just a little bit. It's not like orangey, it's just a little bit darker than what my skin tone is. I think that foundation was probably gonna be too dark anyways, but it is a little bit darker now. So if you are getting one, I would recommend maybe going like a shade down just to be safe. But yeah, so check-in 1, 3 hours after applying, it looks pretty good. All right, checking in again. So let's see, it is 8:36 p.m. Just showing you the time on my iPad because I am using my phone to record right now. But so far, the foundation is holding up really well. It's lasted 8 hours now I've had it on and it still looks really good. The coverage is still there. Last time I checked in, I was on the way to my dad's house to go pick up Thanksgiving dinner, came home, had dinner, went into a little bit of a food coma. I fell asleep and took a nap and it even lasted throughout the nap. It didn't like rub off too much. There is a little bit of like rub off, I want to say like right here on my nose, but that's pretty much about it. Everywhere else it looks really good. It's still very lightweight and breathable. It's kind of hard to tell that it's there. I mean, I know it's there, but it doesn't really feel like it's there. I was planning on taking my dogs out for a walk and trying to, I don't know, like break up a sweat or something to see if it was like sweat proof, but it is a little too late now since I fell asleep. So I'm instead just gonna take a bath. It does say that it is waterproof and sweat proof, so I'll be in water and I'll probably be sweating since it's a hot bath. So I'll see how well it holds up in there. I'm not gonna like submerge my face in the water, but we'll see how it goes. Not gonna take you with me in there, but I will check in one more time before I go to bed. All right, last check-in. So right now it is 9:43 p.m. I was gonna try to make it until 10, but I am pretty tired, so I just want to go to bed. I was in the bath for probably almost an hour and it was really hot in there. I was sweating. It was like my skin was definitely moist. So I do want to say that I think the foundation passes the sweat and waterproof test. I mean, I haven't like worn it in like hot, humid weather, but in the environment that I was at, I can comfortably say that I think it will work in that type of environment, but I don't want to say 100% because I haven't experienced it. Overall though, I think this foundation is very lightweight, it's breathable, it has great coverage, the semi-matte finish is absolutely beautiful. It's like your skin but better. The only thing that I would say is maybe a con is the oxidation. I don't think that it was significant in this foundation like shade that I have on right now, and I think it was called Nude. It was already a little too dark for my skin, so the slight oxidation just made it look a little bit too much darker. I do wish that I would have got a lighter shade, or even maybe 2 shades too light, to see how it would work. But overall, I do think this is a good foundation, especially for $9. Like, I'm blown away, as always, with Sheglam products. I guess if you guys have any questions about the foundation or any of their products, just let me know down in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to press the subscribe button down below. I would really love to have you as part of my YouTube family. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.